Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you some features of iPhone 10 which you might not know. Without wasting any time guys, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the setting app on your iPhone and go to the general and go to the accessibility, and the first one is reachability. You just scroll down and turn on the reachability and just swipe up. Okay, and just open any application. For example, let's open YouTube, and what you need to do is to just swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into the reach. So I'm just going to show you, it's very simple. Just swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen just like this. You can just bring the top into reach just like this. And how you go back, just go back and just swipe down again, and here you go. It's that simple guys. Okay, the next one is the battery percentage. So on your iPhone 10 you can't see the battery percentage. So how you can see your battery percentage on your iPhone 10? It's also very simple guys. What you need to do is to just scroll down from the top of your iPhone 10 screen, and here you go, you can see the battery percentage of your iPhone 10. Okay, so next one is, okay, let's go to the Twitter app. Okay, and you can simply tap on the top of your screen to just scroll up quickly. You can just tap on the right one or the left bezel. You can just scroll up to the top very quickly just like this. Okay, so how you can, the next one is how you can switch through apps on your iPhone 10. It's also very simple guys. As you can see the bar here, so what you need to do is just slide to the right to go through the apps guys. It's very simple, just go through the apps and just like this. You can just go back and you can just slide right and slide left to go back to the application. And the last one is how you can force switch your application on your iPhone 10 guys. So what you need to do is just scroll from the bottom of the screen of your iPhone 10 to the bottom here and just leave it, and just hold the apps and you can just force switch your application. It's that simple. There are a bunch of more features on iPhone 10 and I have just showed you some of the features which might be helpful for you. Hope you like this video guys. For more videos please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.